Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about some new cue cards. Well, what happened in the month of January, from 1st January until now, today it's around 15th of January. So many of my students appeared in Ielts and they shared their cue cards. Now I'm going to tell you some of these cue cards. If you find them new, you should actually practice these cue cards. This is sent by one of my students from India. Cue card. Explain a situation where some item was broken and you fixed it. So explain a situation where some item was broken. Mobile was broken, glass was broken, vase was broken or anything and you fixed it. So this is the first new cue card. The next cue card I received from Pakistan, one of my students here. He said, today I gave IELTS, that was 11th of January. My cue card was, tell me about a skill which you recently developed. Tell me about a skill which you recently developed, how and when you learned it, was it difficult to learn, and all that stuff. Okay, now let's move on. I got another cue card from Saudi Arabia and I received it yesterday, 14th January. Sir, the cue card is, describe a gift you would like to buy for a friend. So I think it's somewhat old cue card, but anyways, describe a gift you would like to buy for a friend. Then I got two more cue cards from India. Describe a time when you visited a countryside, okay, a village, and describe a time when you got something free. Okay, this is interesting. New cue card. Describe a time when you got something free of cost. Means you didn't have to buy a ticket for that or you didn't pay for that, okay? Alright, let's move on. Another cue card from Dubai, UAE. See, I receive messages from all over the world. Dubai. Okay, cue card topic was, alright. Describe a situation when you saw the price of something and how you felt about it. Maybe there was something that was very expensive, you saw the price of that, so how you felt about it and all that. Okay, let's move on, few more. Okay, I got another cue card and this is 10th January IELTS test. Topic was, describe a happy event you had to prepare in advance. Describe a happy event for which you had to prepare in advance. So this was the cue card and it was in India actually. Alright, let's move on, just two more. Okay, the cars damage the environment, manufacturers. This is the topic. Part 1 is this and part 2. Yes, describe a business person that you admire. So this is another cue card. He got it in the month of January. 6th January speaking test. Next, we've got another one. Second last one. So the cue card is, talk about the book which you love to read. I think this is the old cue card and then that's it. So guys, if you come across any new cue cards or whenever you appear in your IELTS speaking test, please send me a detailed message about questions of part 1, cue card of part 3 and questions of part 3. Part 2 cue card and part 3 questions. I will share that with my students and this is how they can learn. All the best guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.